Hello guys. So today we are going to learn what are the function of money. So before we going to start, I I want to say you something that whenever you are starting with any topic or with any concept, try to understand the title, what the name of the topic is saying. Like in this concept, function of money, what does function of money means? Function of money means मनी का काम क्या है. इट मीन्स दैट मनी किस लिए, मतलब सब तो बोल देता है मनी, बट मनी का काम क्या रहता है. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग विथ दिस कंसेप्ट आई वांट टू just recap with the barter system. What are the problems were there in barter system that it is removed and it is replaced with the money? So the problems were that whatever we will study now in money, the problems were the opposite. Like if now money is the medium of exchange, but at that time, at the ancient of time, medium of exchange is said to the barter system. Like now, what used to happen that money is something which is made of paper, you can say, or made up of metals or coins. Okay, so money is said to be as the medium of exchange because money is a instrument which helps to, it's a medium of exchange which help us to buy something, purchase anything, or it also helps for trade exchange. Like what happens that money is something which transfer from person to person, country to country, country to country, person to person. This flow like loop is called as the continuous loop, is called as the medium, is called as a money. So money is now in now presently money is used as the medium of exchange. So first point done. What is mean by store of value? So if we compare with the situation when there was a barter system and with the situation when there is a money. So when there is to be a barter system, like a person want to buy a car, and for that, like he cannot store his wheat or rice for that. Like when any person will come to him, or when he want, or when he will get such a person who want wheat, and in place of that he will give car. So like जमाते जमाते जो चीज़ है, जो so what happens is that if we store food, which is a mean of barter system, it will get perishable, it will get perished. But if we store money, it will not get perishable, or it will not like it can be stored more than a year or more than, but there is no fixed time period that from this, after this period you cannot store money like this. There is no limitation. So what we can say from medium of exchange is that it's an act of sale and purchase. So it's an act of sale and purchase is possible due to money only. In store of value, we can say wealth can be easily stored, means money can be easily stored. Purchasing power can be shifted from present to future. From the decent definition, we can say that money as a store value means money can be stored for use in future. Holding money is easier than the liquid as a liquid asset. Any product like wheat or iron, it is difficult to store, therefore money has a strong stored value. Then comes the measure of value. Measure of value means everything has a own value. Means you cannot say, like when there was a barter system, there was a there like people does not have a defined measure of the thing, like they really does not have any idea about the values of the materials. So now when the money come up, now they know what material have what value. So all so from the definition we can say all the goods and service have value which can be measured today in terms of money, and it also allows comparison. You can say that gold and silver, you, you know the value, you can compare them. Then comes that standard of deferred payment. So when there was a situation, when there was a was barter system as a medium of exchange, at that time there was nothing like installment, there was nothing like future payment, credit transaction. But when money come up, there the lack of standard payment just stopped, because money now money can cover up the lack was there in standard of deferred payment. So from this definition we can say credit transaction and installments are now possible. Functioning of bank and capital market evolved due to this function. So I'm complete with my functions of money. I've explained all the points clearly. All you need to do is that just listen, try to understand, and make your own word. Whenever you are writing an answer, make your own words. Try to um, write the points, key points. Try to mention the key points.